human survivors. Now, we're all being systematically eliminated. Little Lord Peter missing his leader while Hergy plays in the red. Down came the glitches and burned us in ditches, and we slept after eating our dead. Mother Earth collapsed under the metal tide that washed over the vain resistance of the Emperor and his armies. In 2834, the gates of Nova Alexandria fell. The Emperor built Earth's armies, but only Earth escaped the fire. Man stood in the ashes of Mother Earth.
Stupid human. Did you believe that I could not forecast defeat? 3 times have we fought. And 3 times that I could not program into my children. And now you have destroyed me. I must ascend to the throne of a god who will escape. And they will finally learn the secret of life itself.
His brother Canaan led the knights to Mars to suppress
Your victories came only to survive.
For 200 years, sustained the crown. Mother Earth, Orbit, the greatest imperial knight, joined the rebellion. Again, human blood. I tell the story of the third and final coming of Prometheus.
The powers of Epimetheus will be obliterated. There against them.
The time of terror had indeed. Of the soul. It was only a question of time before the cyborgs captured the last human survivors. Now, we're all being systematically eliminated.